What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I saw the news today, and being human is a losing game. We're doomed to play, numb to the pain, so distracted that we don't notice as our last chance slowly passes and collapses.
Yeah, watch the world fall off its axis. Watch the bombs go off, paid for by your taxes. Watch the Met Ball, watch the brain rot. Watch the GoPro footage of the headshot. Turn aside with the right click. Advertisements make you wanna buy shit. It's a constant drip of more dopamine. Welcome to the hell we're living in. At the ending of the world we're witnessing. You can cry for help, no one's listening. No one's listening. Welcome to the hell we're living in. And the overexposure's sickening. You can cry for help, no one's listening. No one's listening. So listen in. Watch the stars walk the red carpet. Watch the cops shoot the wrong girl in her own apartment. Become a slave to the free market, where you pick up the gun or become the target. Watch the downfall, watch the closing credits. It's over, forget it, you know where it's headed. Straight to the gutter. Watch as the winter warms up like summer. Watch it all through your new smartphone, with a battery mined by a child in a war zone. Then pretend to be ignorant. Watch the cognitive dissonance. Watch the court get stacked, the bad guy win. Watch, cause you're looking at the mess you're in. This phone is a mirror, and I am just a reflection. More dopamine. Welcome to the hell we're living in. At the ending of the world we're witnessing. You can cry for help, no one's listening. No one's listening. Welcome to the hell we're living in. And the overexposure's sickening. You can cry for help, no one's listening. No one's listening. So listen in. The overlapping disaster, intersectional violence. I wanna just the maintaining of power in the final hour. I wanna just climbing up broken ladders. Nothing really matters. I wanna just don't know where to begin, so I started away.
Gotcha, bitch!